Hello dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. As you can see from this color and the heart shape, that this video is about the Valentine's Day decor. How to decorate a coffee/tea corner. Please ignore whatever you see on this side because I didn't finish arrangements yet. And there is very little space, very narrow space for me to move around. That's why sometimes you may see my shadow. Although I'm recording during the daytime, but today is a very gloomy and moody day. Very cloudy, so I couldn't catch the sunlight until I finished. It was gone already. So, okay, hopefully this will be enough light for you to see what I did here. Let's start, as usual, the nut plate that I always have. What happened to this one? But I may remove it. Although we are gonna peel this, so it doesn't matter if one or two will be already peeled. How do you call this thing? Has anybody tried it? I got it from Armenia, actually, not here, but they sell it here in America. I don't know the name though. Please write it down below if you know the name of this thing. It's a type of a nut because it grows on the trees. Then it becomes like this. You peel and eat it, and there is a pit in the middle. Okay, so here I just placed some roses. Of course, these are edible roses. You may make tea also from that. Some people even eat it. Okay, but I use it for decor. And I use the same here on the cookies, which I got from, some of them I got from Costco, some of them I got from somewhere else, I don't remember. These are chocolates. Of course, I may remove the plastic before the guests arrive. Then I have hazelnuts, below this one. I have some dried cherries and walnut and some almonds. Here on this side I have mushroom chocolates, or white with pink chocolate. Only during Valentine's Day you may see them in the stores. And I got these ones, the raspberry chocolate. Then I have other type of marmalade with sugar powder. Of course I have mint, peppermint. And then here I have some white and pink marshmallows. And that's it, I guess. And I have champagne and wine in the back. No advertisements, of course, but I love Italian wine and champagne. Well, for the chocolate and cookie plates, I used these candle holders of different heights and shapes. One is wooden, the other one is glass. As well as I used wine glasses and added some Valentine's Day napkins in them. Now going to the decorations. I used this thing. I got it from Dollar Tree, of course, and look at that. It has hearts all over. So, hearts, these were just ornaments, Christmas tree ornaments, which I used for this decor. The balloon, of course. By the way, the color is this year's color. It's called macaroon pink, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's called macaroon pink, and I guess that's the color of the 2024. Sorry for the shadow. Here I have, of course, used my favorite palm tree leaves. You can see I split one leaf into two parts and hung some pink Christmas tree ornaments, which is pink grape, from which they make the rose wine or rose champagne. Yep, they use pink, of course not this type of pink, but they use pink color, pinkish to reddish color grapes. And I used some of the Christmas tree, of course, decor here, like the branches, and again, palm tree leaf in the back. Hope you like it. And I used one of my long glass vases to place that flower in the middle. Well, and as you can see, this flower comes from a swimming pool noodle, which I cut and made flower. The Christmas tree is, of course, from my computer desk because I usually use it on my computer desk, this tree. This time I decided to keep it and use it for the V-Day, Valentine's Day. This is a real rose, dried rose, which I spray painted into light pink to match my decor. It was a gift given to me, so I'm keeping it as a memory, whatever it's called. The hearts string I've made last year, and I shared it with you in another video. I may link it below. May link it because I may not find it. I I kind of am running short of time. And the butterflies are from my spring decor collection. And as you can see, today I'm really tired. I cannot talk. Well, hopefully you understand. When people get tired, they don't want to talk too much. And as you can see, the face of the cat, like that. But you may imagine that it's a dragon with two heads. And in the middle, it's a rose, which means like two people are fighting for one rose. Not a positive association, but that's what came to my mind now. Well, hope you like this, and if you like it, don't forget to put your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please put some comments. Let me know if this is your first time visit or you have already been my YouTube friend in the list of my friends, because it's important for me to understand whom I'm making these videos for. I've stopped because of loss of motivation. There are some times that people are getting kind of tired of making videos and not getting feedback. Of course, I was getting lots of feedback, but only when I was constant. When I started making videos from time to time, the consistency was gone, the viewers were gone too. Now I want to come back. Hopefully you can support me. And when you decide to support me, so my channel doesn't have a life of a butterfly. Of course, 10 years isn't butterfly, but for YouTube, yep. If you have less than 10,000 subscribers, it's a butterfly life. Okay, hopefully you can support me by subscribing, liking, and pressing on that little bell next to the subscribe, so you can learn about my future videos and not miss any of them. Thanks a lot again for staying with me till this moment, and happy Valentine's to everyone who is celebrating it alone, with a friend, or with friends or family members, or just co-workers. Thanks again, and see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone. Happy Valentine's.